How can I start making money with affiliate marketing without a following? This is the most common obstacle beginner affiliates face. It can hold you back and prevent you from finally living the life you want. Back in 2020, when I was just starting out, I too didn't have a following, and I was able to get to a point where I would make $8K per month consistently with organic traffic after 6 months of taking things seriously. So in today's video, I'll be giving you a full tutorial on how you can start affiliate marketing without a following. If you are excited to learn something new, make sure you leave a like and let's get to it. First off, if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's you promoting or recommending a product to other people, using some kind of content you put out on the internet. The product you promote can be something you use yourself to achieve a goal you want or to solve a problem you are facing, or it can just be a product that you think will help others. And what you are doing is recommending that product to other people like you, or people who can achieve something from the product you are promoting. To promote products like these, you can join affiliate programs to get a special link called an affiliate link. And when people go and buy the product through your link, you make a commission. If you want to know what are the best affiliate program to promote in 2024, I have a complete list of the highest paying affiliate programs. You can download it completely free from the link in the description. Now, how can you make money if there aren't any people to buy from your link? Most of the affiliate marketing tutorials out there on the internet expect you to have a following online. But as a person who's just starting affiliate marketing, there is no way that you already have an audience or a following. The gurus on the internet know this too, but they want you to buy their course to learn how to do it without an existing audience. But we don't do that here, so let's see how you can start without having a following. Let's say you are in the fishing niche, and as you can see on Instagram, there are so many posts about fishing. And these posts are posted by accounts with a huge following. That's why these rank at the top, which means if you want to rank, you need to have a popular page, and the same goes for Facebook. So we are going to be using Google as our traffic source because you don't need an existing audience rank on Google. And if you didn't know, Google gets 990,000 searches per second. That's more organic traffic than both Facebook and Instagram combined. For example, let's search for the best radar detectors to buy. As you can see, there are these blog articles that comes up, and if you scroll down a bit, there are these YouTube videos that are also ranking in the search results. Now, if you go inside one of these articles, you can find a blog post like this, and also links to the products mentioned, and I can guarantee that all of these links are affiliate links. Now, how I used to do this search traffic method was to target small keywords in my niche and create blog articles. This used to work because there wasn't much competition. I had a few different websites that were in different niches, and they used to be a decent income stream. But now, with the rise of AI tools like ChatGPT, creating these kinds of blog posts only takes seconds. So we have to find another way to do this. So we are going to do something different, but we're still going to get traffic from Google. We are going to make YouTube videos to rank on Google. This way, we can show Google that we are making authentic user-generated content and not mass-producing with AI, which will make Google want to give us more visibility, and it will push our recent YouTube videos to a wider audience. Now, this method is not something that's brand new. I have used this method many times before to create multiple different income streams in different niches. This method is hands down the best method for affiliate marketing without a following. Now, as I mentioned before, both YouTube and Google are owned by the same company, so whatever that gets posted on YouTube will also come up on Google. So for the thousands of people who search about radar detectors daily, they will see these articles, and once they scroll down, they'll come across these videos that's from YouTube. And for people who will much prefer watching a video rather than reading an article, which, by the way, is most of the people nowadays, they will click on this video and they'll get redirected straight onto YouTube. Now, this video is just a video version of the articles you just saw. It's just that it's in a video format. And when you scroll down here, you will find all of the affiliate links for the products that are mentioned in this video. Now, this is not complicated or anything like that. This is a simple business model that has always worked. Now, you might be concerned about this channel having 132,000 subscribers, but you don't have to worry about that. You don't need a huge subscriber count when you are just starting to make videos. Your traffic is going to come from people who are searching for stuff on Google and YouTube, which means you're going to be following the fundamental and my favorite rule of good affiliate marketing. Don't make content to go and find people. People should come and look for your content. This way you don't have to have a huge audience of people who are following you. People who search for stuff on Google will find your content themselves. And this is also true for YouTube as well. People who search on YouTube will also find your content. Now, if you go and type the same thing over on YouTube, you'll see that the exact same video comes up on both Google Search and YouTube, meaning you can get double the reach and double the traffic. And what's also awesome is that with the search traffic method, your videos will rank for years to come in these search results. Unlike Instagram posts, which will go down the feed and become irrelevant within a week of posting. But if you can create evergreen content with the search traffic method, they can make you money for the next 4 to 5 years. As you can see, this video, which ranks for this keyword, was uploaded 3 years ago, and it still ranks at the very top. And again, you don't need a huge subscriber count to rank on smaller keywords. As long as your content gives the people what they are searching for, Google and YouTube will keep your content at the top of the search results. Now, if you remember earlier, I said that with the rise of AI, it has really made it more difficult to do the search traffic method with blog articles. But it has done the opposite for this method. Now, since Google is getting absolutely flooded with AI-made articles that aren't made by an actual human, Google themselves have come out and said that they are taking serious action against this. And one of those actions is to push value-added content that's actually made by real humans. And the best way to do that is by recommending more YouTube videos to people who are searching on Google. If you don't get what I'm saying is that this is the perfect time for you to try this method out. Since Google and YouTube are recommending more user-generated content, they need your content, a real person's content on their platform. This goes for faceless videos as well. If you don't want to show your face like me, it's completely okay. It's still user-generated content. You can create simple faceless presentation type videos, and it's completely okay as long as you give what people are searching for. You can be like this guy and show your face, or you can just record the products and have your voice explain and review them. It still falls into the user-generated content category. And this is what both Google and YouTube are craving right now. Now, again, this is not something that's brand new. I also run a few channels that's in different niches using the same method, and it's doing well for me. At the time, this is the fastest and the most efficient way you can make money with affiliate marketing without a following. Almost all of the richest people on earth did the right thing at the right time. So all I'm gonna say is that this could be your right place and could be the best thing you can do if you want to be successful with affiliate marketing this year. I can guarantee that you can get results fast and easily with this method than any other free traffic method on YouTube. If you want to know how you can use email marketing to literally tenfold the amount of commissions you're going to make sure to watch this video as well.